Friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to solve a program to find the most frequent element list using the Java testing API. In this program, I will take some sample input. For example, whenever having that non-empty list with a unique most frequent element, for example, 1, 2, 2, 3. So in this case, I will get here output like most frequent element 2, and whenever having that empty list, so that time we will get here the list is empty no frequent element. So in this program, so we need to put here take validation. And whenever having the non-empty list with multiple element having the same maximum frequency, so in the sample input you can see here 1 2 3 2 1 3. So having the frequency same, so that time we will get here most frequent element 1 2 3 because all the twice. And whenever having the only one element in a list, so that time we will get here whatever the element. So here what, so here I will get like most frequent element is whatever the element. And friend, now I'm going to write that class, and where I will implement the logic, how we will get that all the cases here. So friend, I just opened the IntelliJ idea and created a class here most frequent element and giving the program number 60. And I just mentioned here the program with sample input output, so it will help, it will be easy for us. And in this, so now I'm going to write that main method here. So I will just type here main and just clicking the control space, or just it will be completed that code. And so in this case having that multiple sample input, so here I don't want to take that multiple input for list, so I will take one. And after completing the logic, and I will just change the value and I will check. So in this program here I need to take that list of integer, so I'm going to create here list, and I will keep as a type as a integer, and I will keep here list name as a numbers. And I will take as input as a compile time, so I will use here arrays as a list. So I just import here class, so because list is the interface, and whenever you working in IntelliJ idea, so they are giving that as a suggestion name as a import the class. So if you see here the test sample test case 2, here having that list is empty. And so in this case we will get here list is empty no frequent element to find. So here firstly I need to take the validation here, so I will use here if, and then I will use here else. So you can see here number is the list, so here I will use like numbers. So and in this list I will get like is empty, and it will return here boolean. So boolean, that means either true or false. Is empty, so currently list is empty, so it will return true. And in this, whenever having the true, so that time it will execute the if block. So I will use here system.out.println, and I will just print the message here the list is empty no frequent element to find. But whenever have so that time you can see here, just I will run this program. So you can see here the list is empty no frequent element to find. Or so similarly better I will use here if having the empty, so I will return it here. So yeah, it's optional if you want to add return keyword or not, it's depend on the you. And now we are going to check, suppose we are having that some sample input, so I will just give here any one sample value. So I will take the first one, having that 1 2 2 3, so I will just uh, initialize this value in a list. So friend, here it will check now here having that list having the some value, and numbers is empty, it will return false. Then execution control will become an else part, and else part we need to check here, or if, so in this case if I don't want to use here, so no. But whenever having that not else part, so that time it will compulsory, so I don't want to keep here like a return keyword, because we are aware of that controller statement how it's working. So in this if else part, here I will use like that so here I will make that map, so I will use here map. In this map I will keep type as a integer, and second parameter I will keep like long, and I will keep map of object like frequency, and here I will use like element. So friend, you can see here this is my list, so I will use here numbers, and after that here we need to use like java stream API. So I will convert like a stream of integer, because list of integer, so it will convert like a stream of integer, and then I will use here like a stream dot collect, and so I will just write here collect. So in this collect method, so we are know that in this method we need to here pass the collector. So I will use here collectors class, and in this collector class here I will get like a grouping by, and basically we are aware of that, it's working on that so grouping by and in this method we need to pass here like make to group. So I will use here lambda expression, so numbers having that actually here n, that means number, so it will number, and here I will use like that collectors dot counting, so it will, so here I will use collectors dot counting. So friend, I need to import the map, so I will click here import the class, and so in this now I just find here the maximum frequency of the element, and so basically element I just make the group of the element, and now I will find the maximum. So I will use here like long, and I will keep like max frequency element, and here I will use like so if you see here, so here I will get like frequency element, and dot value, and here I will use like a value, then a stream, and in this stream we will get here max. So I will use here max, it will return the optional long, and inside max, so we need to call here long method, so I will use here long, and here I will use like a compare method, so I will use here long, then reference operator, and compare, and after that here I will use like or else, whenever having that not, so I using that or else, and in this or else method we need to pass here 0, so 0 L long for L. So friend, here I just find that maximum frequency element, first making the group, and second one is that maximum frequency element, and now here we need to find that most frequency element. So here I will use like list, and I will keep as a type integer, and I will keep reference name like a most frequency element, and here I will get like a frequency element dot entry set, because this is the map, and entry set we will get here like a stream, and here in the stream here we will get like filter method to find the to filter the data here. So in this filter we need to like entry, and here I will use lambda expression to find the entry. So here entry if for element, or we are also saying like entry, and because we are choosing here map, and here I will get like entry dot get value, and I will compare here like most frequency here. So here you can see here that frequency element, okay, here I just keep here max frequency, so I will use here max frequency. So here I will use max frequency, and then I will use here like map, so dot map. So in this map we need to call like key, so here I will use like map, inside map I will use here map, and then method reference here, and I will call here like get key, sorry, here map dot entries, yeah, entry, and then here I will get like a get key, yeah, correct. And then here I will collect the data here, so I will use here collect, and in this collect method we need to call here we need to call inside of collect method collectors dot to list. So here I will use collectors dot to list, and my program is completed. Now I'm going to just print here the result. So I just use here like so here I will use like entry, here I will use like system.out.println to print the result, and here I will print like so you can see here having that some message, so I will use the same message here. So inside I need to paste here, and then I will use here, and I will just print here most frequency element. So friend, my program is completed. Now I'm going to run this class, and meanwhile just I will arrange the code or break the code here. So here you can see most frequent, then I will call here entry set, and then I called here a stream, then I called here filter, and then I called here collect. So friend, you can see here most frequency element is 2, and whenever I will change here like having that only one input, so that time we will get like one output. So I'm just run this class. So friend, my element input element is 1, so I got the output 1, and whenever ever having that same type of the element, so having that just 1 and 2, so that time I will get that 1 2. I think I covered all that test case scenario, and you can take that input as a runtime, and you can validate that all that test cases. So here I got the here most frequent element 1 2, and whenever just want to add here 3 and 3, so that time we will get here some 1 2 3 output. Thank you friend for your time, and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.